2020 ló ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rí Wùnmí. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé kéèyàn tó mú obìnrin lọ sílé ẹ ti ní dètara yín kó tó di pé ẹ mú lọ sọ́dọ̀ obìnrin. Téèyàn bá mú obìnrin wá sọ́dọ̀ yín pé dáadé ẹ ti fẹ́fẹ́ rè wọ́n àti dètara wọn dètà ṣé ìgbà tí wọ́n mọra wọn náà mú wá sọ́dọ̀ ẹ̀. Báwo ló ṣe possible? I get. Therefore 4 years, 2 or okay, takate tó pé 4 years lọ́tẹ̀ ti ríra. Bóyá 4 years tó mú wá yẹn ló pàdé ẹ̀ lọ́nà. Ìjọ tó pàdé ẹ̀ lójú títì náà ló mú wá fún ẹ. Tí ó bá dé tìyàn fún 4 years náà, tó dẹ̀ sọ pé nǹkan lọ bára wọn sùn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ báwo ló ṣe jẹ́? Ṣé ní gbogbo táwọn èèyàn sọ pé kíní tó náà kò wá justice. Bàbá yìí hate Mohbad with passion ni. Again sọ fún yín, ó hate Mohbad kú. Torí ẹ̀ lẹ ṣe rí tó ń transfer aggression yẹn sórí Liam. Ó hate Mohbad yẹn kú. Because ó believe pé gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sóhun yìí Mohbad ló kọsẹ̀. Because tí Mohbad ò bá ti gba yẹ sọ́dọ̀ in the first place ni kò ní rí báyìí. Meanwhile, ìgbà tí mo ya Mohbad wá sínú life Mohbad, ìgbà tí wọ́n máa tí Naira Marley táwọn Naira Marley Sam Larry máa ń nà Mohbad. Ẹ rí pé nígbà tí wọ́n lọ kúnlẹ̀ nílé Sam Larry Naira Marley, ẹ mọ̀ pé Mohbad wà bẹ́ẹ̀ wà lórí kúnlẹ̀ ọ̀hún bẹ Naira Marley. Àti gbogbo gbà yẹn ni wọ́n lọ mú ya Mohbad wá pé bóyá tí Mohbad náà bá wọ life ọmọ yẹn, bóyá àwọn Naira Marley àgbọ́. Ṣùgbọ́n tọ́mọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti dé yẹn, tọ́mọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti gbọ́ràn, tọ́mọ ẹ̀dẹ̀ ti love ọmọ ẹ̀, tó like yẹ padà, tí gbogbo nǹkan ṣe inú bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bí jòsì. So ìgbà tọ́mọ yẹn kú, tí gómìnà tí wọ́n lọ kí ìyá Mohbad àti Wùnmí, ó bí jòsì nínú tó pọ̀. Ó ń sọ fún yín pé ibi tó ṣe sí ló jẹ. Because bóyá sọ fún mi náà ni mo yẹn sọ. Gbogbo nǹkan tẹ́mi sọ kò sí irọ́ kankan bẹ̀. Èmi ń sòótọ́ fún yín ni. Wàláhì mi fi kankan kún nǹkan tí jòsì sọ fún mi. Mi fi kankan kún. Nǹkan tí mo mọ̀ ni mò ń sọ. Àfi tí jòsì bá lóhùn sọ. Bí jòsì ṣe wà yẹn, àfi tí ò bá ṣoògùn. Àfi tí jòsì ò bá ṣe ògùn mi ò ní ṣẹ̀sìn. Àfi tí jòsì ò bá ti ṣoògùn tí ẹnì kankan rí ni kò ní ṣẹ̀sìn. Nínú family yẹn. Jòsì wàá dé gbogbo ibi tó ń lọ. Gbogbo nǹkan tó ń wá lórí gbogbo àwọn people yẹn á bọ́ sí ẹ lọ́wọ́ only tí ò bá mórúkọ wọn lọ lé olóògùn rẹ̀. Àti Wùnmí o, àti Liam o, àti Àdúrà o, àti Mohbad o. Tí ò bá mórúkọ wọn lọ lé ògùn rẹ̀ tó bá yẹ pé lóòótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ pásítọ̀ èèyàn Ọlọ́run ló fi ń ṣe. Gbogbo ilé tí wọ́n sọ pé kò sí justice kankan tó fẹ́ rí gbogbo nǹkan tó sọ̀rọ̀ àǹdí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí spiritual ni. Aṣẹ́wó tó bẹ̀ náà from Libya spiritual ni, and you know yourself. If you let this man to continue to grant interview, you will understand the more tó bá ń grant interview lè máa understand. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni, tó bá continue láti máa grant interview yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ kí n wò bí ó ti dé ibi tó ń lọ ti fẹ́ ṣe interview ìrọ̀lẹ́. Tó bá continue láti máa grant interview. Okay, ẹ jẹ́ kí n gbọ́lé, ẹ jẹ́ kí n play lè fún yín.
We don't have it. Guess what? I give you 19 days. His father. We don't have it. Just his father. We don't have it. Just what? I give you 19 days.
You see the death of that guy? Just redemption. If you are entering into bad gang, all those people that you are pursuing, the secret is going to reveal. You know that innocent people are many among them. Because you see the person that is the person that is but the person that killed him is inside that does not reveal himself. They pick the father. They should not have mercy. You see, that's the issue. There is a secret between the father. It's the father that can say the secrets. We still have a prophet. What's happened? It's not about you.
Shagbansi. Joseph. I know to one better kill of war.
Calling. I didn't get to be able to.
Baba knew about that. And that is exactly what he has been saying concerning that Mr. Muiwa.
It means it's very insisting. It's insisting that he will continue with Muiwa no matter what.
I'm going to swallow my pride and try and get in touch with Mr. Muiwa. Don't worry, I will do it.
You know, even though we're clamoring that we...
My play, got of so. Kí ni o fẹ́ gbà nínú life yìí? Bó jẹ́ after 10 years náà ló ti ṣe, bó jẹ́ 20 years ló mọ̀ pé Mohbad ń rí yẹ. Nǹkan tí Jòsí ń ṣe ló máa ṣe. Ọlọ́run ṣe ní ìyá Mohbad, ká ní Mohbad ò kú ni lóòótọ́ ìyá Mohbad á wẹ̀ sí lọ́wọ́. Wọ́n á fẹ́ra wọn lóòótọ́ o. Á dẹ̀ máa ṣògùn ti ìyá Mohbad. Ṣùgbọ́n ìyá Mohbad máa ń gbàdúrà gan. Ṣé ní ìyá Mohbad ó máa ń gbàdúrà? Ṣé ti understand? But tí ìyá Mohbad ò bá ń jẹ́ni tó máa ń gbàdúrà ni, ó lè ya Mohbad, ó lè ya woman ẹni wèrè. Wọ́n wá lọ keep ẹ̀ sí àrò, òun á lè máa gbowó. Even Wunmi gan, kò like bí Wunmi ṣe wà ní life Mohbad. He doesn't want anybody láàrin òun àti Mohbad. Kò fẹ́. Ó fẹ́ kí Mohbad bímọ, but kò fẹ́ kó níyàwó.
The man in fact lived with him for a very long time. Why don't we try to approach that person? That person seems more learned. What do you guys think?
Yeah, exactly. 100%.
But we don't even know why they brought that person to us. Maybe in case we are doing what they want to give us that one again. But anyway.
So why don't we put that to Baba first and see what Baba does?
Exactly, because even Paparano, when Kami interviewed Baba,
But one play smart game. Shall we go to the everyone watch justice on mommy. Go to Role l'office.
So I think because
Josie, log be kini see spiritual level. Anybody to ba mo bo se wa yen to ba so pe yambi kokon ni tele won ani Jesu ni ko ma lo. Iro lo pa. Josie ṣògùn ju àwọn babaláwo gan lọ.
I forgot his name.
Ó ṣògùn gan o. Bí Wunmi ṣe wà yẹn. Bí Wunmi ṣe wà yẹn, ó máa ṣe ògùn tí Wunmi back to back. Liam.
Yes, so because the public have their perception about Muiwa, majority about
He's thinking as if he's preaching. He's singing sensible music.
If I die, make you not cry for me. Only give me.
You said, Botolani, maybe Mohbad have discussed Wunmi with Josie once when he was stressed. Discuss Wunmi with Mohbad. Discuss Wunmi with Josie once he was stressed. Where fi gbogbo yẹn sílẹ̀. Ìgbà wo ló bímọ? Ìgbà wo no mo yẹn lóyún last year. 2023 ló bímọ. Àbí? Ó bímọ l'April. Ẹ jẹ́ sọ nǹkan fún yín, ṣé rí voice note ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ yẹn. Òun náà ń join wọn máa sọ pé ó ní tó bá pa mí ò lè pa gbogbo ẹbí mi. Ọmọ mi ti sọ, ó ní tó bá pa mí ò lè pa gbogbo ẹbí mi. Ṣé rí voice note yẹn Wunmi Mohbad Josie ti gbọ́ rí. Josie ti gbọ́ voice note yẹn rí. Ó kàn mọ́mọ́ òun support wọn torí pé wọ́n rí pé wọ́n lo voice note yẹn against girl yẹn. Òun náà wá bá wọn lò. Voice note yẹn nígbà tí Mohbad wà láyé, Wunmi ti Mohbad gan ti gbọ́. Mohbad gan gbọ́. Ṣé rí voice note yẹn bó ṣe wà yẹn? Voice note yẹn tí ẹ bá gbọ́ voice note yẹn ẹ gbọ́ since the issue of kíní kan kí ló máa pè NDLA my life have been fucked up. Ẹ ti gẹ́ẹ̀tì kan tí mo sọ ọmọ yẹn ó máa ń go up and down. Tí ẹ bá gbọ́ nǹkan tí jẹ́ nǹkan tí Naira Marley sọ nínú fídíò tí mo share yẹn níbi tó ti lọ ń bẹ Naira Marley tí wọ́n bàbá ẹ̀ ń bẹ tó ń káwọ́ jọ yẹn tí wọ́n ti ń bẹ Naira Marley tí Naira Marley wà lórí bẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ ń bẹ. Ó ní pé ẹ jẹ́ kí n play fún yín. I didn't play for you. Mama play for you, say my 15 go. Mo share video here. Okay, what about on TikTok, man? No.
Fantastic.
Benu sonjo. Okay, ma gbo. Go.
From my account, tickets.
Ṣẹ́gbọ́n kan tó sọ, ó lèmi náà bá sọ̀rọ̀, ó máa ń gbàgbé lyrics. Ẹgbẹ́ o, ó ní Mohbad ń gbàgbé lyrics. Ẹ ṣe ń gbọ́ ṣe mọ̀ pé Naira Marley ló sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Ó ní ó ń gbàgbé lyrics, ó ń gbàgbé password ẹ̀. Èmi náà ń bá sọ̀rọ̀, ẹ máa gbọ́. Ó ní gbogbo bàbá yẹn sọ pé bàbá yẹn sọ pé ó ní gbogbo nǹkan tó wà lórí fóònù. Bàbá yẹn wá mú fóònù yẹn. Ó ní sọ pé ó ní gbogbo nǹkan tó wà lórí fóònù bó ti white out pé òun ò rí nǹkan kan bẹ̀. Ẹ máa gbọ́. Ṣé nǹkan kan tí mo sọ ṣé nígbà táwọn NDLA yẹn ti involve sínú life ẹ̀ tí wọ́n ti la ìbọn wọ́n là dí ìbọn mọ́ lórí wọ́n ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ wọ́n fún lómi wọ́n ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀ ní gbogbo gbà yẹn ṣe ni pé nígbà tí bọ́bọ́ yìí náà grant interview ó ní wọn kì í fẹ́ gbé orin fún òun ó ní pé àwọn Naira Marley máa wọ́n sọ pé òun ní mental problem àbí ṣe mọ̀ pé Mohbad ló sọ fúnra rẹ̀ nínú interview ẹ̀ ní ìgbà tí wọ́n pariwo bọ̀bọ̀ yìí tí wọ́n pariwo Naira Marley ìgbà tí Naira Marley tó fẹ́ grant interview after the judge ìgbà tí Mohbad kú yìí tó ti exhume ẹgbọ́n kan tó sọ ó ní pé ó máa ń gbàgbé lyrics ó ní pé ó wá pe Mohbad ó voice note kan ó wá go viral ńgbà yẹn ó ní hello ṣé kò ṣe bí kò parẹ́ mọ́ ó ní mo ti sọ fún ẹ má máa ro bí kò parẹ́ mọ́ ṣé understand nǹkan tí mò ń sọ ṣé bá dé rántí pé Bella Shmurda náà sọ pé nígbà kan pé ó fẹ́ bẹ́ jáde àbí ó fẹ́ commit suicide báwọn ni àwọn ò gbà ṣé ní gbogbo kíní yìí tí wọ́n sọ pé Wùnmí gbọ́dọ̀ wá sọ̀rọ̀ Wùnmí ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ understand kò ṣe pé Wùnmí ò ní kan tó lè sọ bó kò sí point ó wò pé òun ò hó yín òun ò hó àwọn èèyàn explanation ẹ ti understand ṣé ní gbogbo voice note yìí tí wọ́n sọ pé tó bá pa mí ò lè pa gbogbo ẹbí mi yẹn Mohbad gan ti gbọ́ nígbà tí Mohbad wà láyé Josie gan ti gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ṣé ní nígbà tí Josie gbọ́ voice note yẹn gan Josie ń bẹ ó ń bẹ Wùnmí ni pé kó má filẹ̀ ìwọ náà wá pẹ̀lú àwọn tó wá ń lò against ẹ̀ ẹtíkẹ́tì kan tí mo sọ Josie gan ó ń bẹ Wùnmí ṣé ní Wùnmí bó ṣe wà yẹn Josie ń bẹ kó bímọ kó fẹ́ yà pé ìyàwó lélẹ̀ torí nígbà tí Mohbad ní problem Wùnmí ló dúró tì í ṣé ní gbogbo ìgbà tí Mohbad ní problem yìí gbogbo ìgbà yẹn náà lẹ́gbọ́n yẹn náà ń pressurize ẹ̀ pé kó fi Mohbad sílẹ̀ irú obìnrin tí ò wá gbọ́ràn sí ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀ lẹ́nu tó wá dúró ti bọ̀bọ̀ tó ń fẹ́ tó kó òun kù bọ̀bọ̀ yìí tó jẹ́ pé ó kù mí kù èmi nìkan ló kù tí wọ́n dá bọ̀bọ̀ yìí lé wọ́n dá lé lọ́wọ́ wọ́n dá àbíbá náà ń sọ wọ́n dá lé lọ́rùn ní òun nìkan ló kù pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ ẹni tó kù mí kù ẹni tí mò ń fẹ́ tó wá dúró tì ní gbogbo ìgbà yẹn náà ó ní gbogbo nǹkan tójú Wùnmí rìnà tí ò ṣe máa sọ ó ní àwọn nǹkan oríṣiríṣi tí Mohbad ṣe fún Wùnmí náà tí ò ṣe sọ ń tà ẹ ti understand so voice note tẹ́ ẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn tí Mohbad go ti apologize fún after tí voice note yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá bímọ tí wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lóyún after tí voice note tí wọ́n sọ pé tó bá pa mí ò lè pa gbogbo ẹbí mi yẹn after tó ṣẹlẹ̀ tí voice note yẹn ṣẹlẹ̀ after ẹ̀ náà ṣẹ̀ má rí o náà ṣẹ̀ lọ ṣe ìyàwó tó ṣe after ẹ̀ náà lóyún tó bímọ ẹ wá mú voice note yẹn ẹ wá lò Josie náà tó wà wí ẹ tó mọ nǹkan tí voice note yẹn tó mọ bí tó ti jẹ́ tó mọ bó ṣe jẹ́ ìwọ náà wá ń support wọn láti máa lò against girl yẹn Dosie heard and was begging Wunmi. When I heard him say that, I was like, Olori Benny. Oh, Joko, after VN wedding, Ben, after VN, you know, she wedding. I want voice notes in here, I want play. Benny became a community 5 years ago. Kadeti, got to say to Kadeti, marry, got to see me more. I want to kill him, to back by me, or the baby me, to back by me, or the baby me. I want being a kiri, a jokino, kilo shell, sit on long film vindicate on my. Nígbà tí conclusive jáde kò dùn mọ́ everybody nínú tó dá fẹ́ kí àánú fẹ́ kàn nail èyàn pẹ̀lú àwọn tó pọ̀ mọ́ yẹn a fẹ́ kí wọ́n nail wọn especially prime boy yẹn a fẹ́ kàn nail wọn but ìgbà tó dẹ̀ ti jáde bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn inú mi dùn pé ó tún vindicate Wunmi pé wọ́n rọ́wọ́ Wunmi bẹ́ẹ̀ fine torí pé mi mọ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan tó jọ mọ́ Wunmi but èyí tẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ pa Wunmi lẹ́ ń wò pé dandan wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ bá yín mú Wunmi sínú ẹ̀ which is very 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 bad. Ṣẹ́rí sì pé ó ń gbàgbé ṣẹ́rí pé bọ̀bọ̀ Naira Marley sọ pé ó ń gbàgbé lyrics ó ń gbàgbé password nígbà tó pe nínú voice note yẹn nígbà tó pe Wunmi ẹjọ́ kí ló sọ hello ṣó change password mi ni kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ kíníkan WhatsApp mi ńkọ́ kíníkan mi ńkọ́ fóònù mi dà ẹjọ́ ṣó mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń sọ aṣọ tí mo ní mi ìwọ̀ mọ́ ń fi sí mi lọ́rùn ẹjọ́ báwo ni ẹ ṣe make sense aṣọ tí mo ní mi ìwọ̀ mọ́ òun wọ̀ sí mi lọ́rùn ẹjọ́ báwo ni ẹ ṣe make sense ṣé ẹjọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ẹni tó rí ẹ pé aṣọ tí mo ní mi ìwọ̀ mọ́ o tún wá wọ̀ sí mi lọ́rùn ẹjọ́ báwo ló ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ ṣé tọkọ mi bá lóun wọ aṣọ tọ́pù kan Adidas kan nínú ilé tí mo dẹ̀ wọ̀ sí lọ́rùn ṣé ẹ ti jọ nǹkan tó lè pààyàn aṣọ tí mo ní mi ìwọ̀ mọ́ yẹn ẹjọ́ pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ gbọ́ yẹn tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ò bá tiẹ̀ yé yín bọ́ aṣọ tí mo ní mi ìwọ̀ mọ́ wọ̀ sí mi lọ́rùn yẹn jọ kí ló jọ. nígbà tí wọ́n lè ṣe bẹ́ríà nígbà tí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí kú ṣe rí pé wọ́n mú Wunmi wá bá wọn bẹ̀ ni ẹ rí pé Wunmi lówó débẹ̀ last tí wọ́n mú bọ̀ ok wọ́n ní pé kó ó gbọ́dọ̀ mú aṣọ white o ó gbọ́dọ̀ ní méjì pieces aṣọ white kókò ṣe méjì kó ní méjì kó òun mú kan dání kó jù kọ sínú burial ground ẹjọ́ kí nìyẹn fi jẹ́ big deal wọ́n ní anything méjì tó bá fẹ́ sí ó bá jẹ́ bible méjì lọ́wọ́ ẹ ló ní fi kún sínú ibẹ̀ kó dẹ̀ mú kan dání ẹ wá sọ pé ó faṣọ sí o ṣe ni pé nígbà tí wọ́n ṣe òbí tó ti faṣọ sí ẹ wá sọ pé ó tún fàdó sí o ṣe ni pé àràdò because ẹ ń wá gbogbo nǹkan tẹ ṣàfẹ́ fìyà jẹ ọmọdé but gúte nípa àṣírí yín ti tú gbogbo yẹn ti wá rí yín tán gbogbo interview ten grant ẹ wá ń tú àṣírí yín bẹ̀ ẹ wá ń tú àṣírí yín bẹ̀ ẹ wá sọ pé ẹ DNA ni motive ó motive kò motive ẹ ní rí DNA yẹn gbà ó tún sọ fún yín lẹ́ni èní o lẹ́ni 26 of May ó motive o kò motive no DNA kẹ́ ẹ gba court order 10 wá láti court kò ní ṣe DNA fún yín. So ìgbà tẹ́yìn náà bẹ Naira Marley tí Naira Marley sọ pé ó ń gbàgbé password ẹ̀ yìí ẹ̀yin náà wá join wọn ní public ẹ wá sọ pé gẹ́ yẹn ló change password ẹ̀ ìgbà tí Wunmi tó sọ̀rọ̀ ṣe pé Wunmi ò dá lóhùn because Wunmi mọ nǹkan tó wà tí ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn ó mọ ìtumọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ ó dẹ̀ mọ reason tó fi ń sọ ṣe pé Wunmi ò sọ kankan ní ìgbà tó bá ti wá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn tán tó bá yá Wunmi á wá tún play ẹ̀ fún pé gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ sí mi àmà ní èmi ni mo ṣàdúró ilé àmà apologize ẹ̀yin wá mú voice note ẹ wá ń gbé kiri ẹ wá mú voice note yẹn wá ń gbé káàkiri can you please leave ta ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀. ẹ jẹ́ n wò bóyá ó ti dé ibi tán ló ti fẹ́ ṣe interview.
If you seem
ẹ ṣàjẹ́ kó continue láti máa ṣe interview ṣé rí interview yẹn ó wà okay gan interview tó ń ṣe yẹn ó wà okay gidi gan ni ó ṣàyẹ̀ expose rẹ̀.
No, you know the thing is right for me, like you rightly said, let us 1 minute, please, baby. Like you rightly said, let us try the method of Baba, because don't forget we are the one who advised for this method. Don't forget that they should be receiving information from us. Okay, but what we wanted to do is more like rob mine once and for all, not a continuous thing. The continuous questions are going to be going to the inbox. This was about just robbing mine, but anyway, just this way, they have addressed that. They called him and they wanted to pay by a message. So let us do what they want, okay? the way we have proposed it before. They let us watch and see the difference, whether they can meet up to, to what the public want. And if they can, meet up to what, they will have more time to relax, to think, to devise. Because again, as I said again,
they should ask Josie the meaning of motive. I won't
then,
all these are signs of depression. Even at a point, Mohbad has been
yes, it's a family thing.
But it's not a thing that the wife will come out and be talking about. She understand.
We have been reminded back again, hey. So let's work with them and see. We support them financially, mentally, time, and however we can do that. And then let's see again what comes out of it.
Sorry, sir. I will also make it known to Baba that the reason why we brought him to this platform is just to deliberate with him. If you can find time to do that again. But if he says no, there's nothing we can do. We've tried our best.
No, it's okay. We don't need that. As I said again earlier, I would have preferred to go to him, to speak to him.
If you want. Maybe that's why next week Sunday.
Exactly.
Maybe next week Sunday.
We don't have issue with that.
Adedeke, you've done well. I rubbed minds with people on a different platform, including Gurexi. And let's congratulate Baba for listening to common sense. Baba is at a number of interviews that is almost nearly dragged him into the gutters. Because those interviews, as we can see, the revelation of it is actually digging down debt on the past life and past times and all that kind of stuff. And I will congratulate Baba for listening to common sense and actually doing this thing in a focal way, in a focused way, and that is that. And what I said at the time, I will say it again. If you go to BBC and you go to CNN and you go to anywhere you go to, all the big powerhouse, all the mainstream media out there, they will always share this with you. They always sit you down with your PAs and everybody around you to say this is a script. If you don't like the script, you can decide to say no. If you don't like the script, you can work with them to amend it. And I think that Baba is actually taking something out of it. Gurexi especially. I will say well done to Gurexi to have actually taken those type of advices across to Baba to now realize that let's not overexpose this man. For every time he goes into an interview where the host has an agenda, the host never tell Baba that there's going to be an interview. They just call him out of nowhere. And they start leading him on with their questions. So I would say a very big congratulations to Baba. And I think that we all need to be very patient for the team around him.
They are not ready to stop this justice for Mohbad. Even key results are inconclusive. They will continue to do this. It's like àwọn olórí burúkú tó rí opportunity láti kóra wọn jọ ní nǹkan tó ń ṣe. Ṣé you get? In fact, tí result yẹn gan ò bá jẹ́ inconclusive, tí wọ́n ráwọn charge àwọn èèyàn tó máa charge, ẹ rí pé they will still continue this because this is an avenue for them láti kórí burúkú jọ.
I understand this patient of a thing we're talking about. I want everybody to put ourselves in the shoes of who's Arifa and this guy. These people are just sitting down in a cell or I don't know wherever they are kept just because they're fighting for somebody. You can tell by Baba talking today, he doesn't really know much is going on. This thing has been going on for months. These people around him are not educating and he doesn't know what's going on. You can tell from all the interviews he's been doing recently. He's not being carried along. He's not being educated. And these people are still not wanting him to get involved. If the public, we are putting our funds into this, we are putting our time and our energy, he's got to be involved. He's the father of this child. Even if Muiwa is going to be involved, as time goes on, if he's there, he's listening, and Muiwa is making some decisions, the man has common sense, like you said. He does. But they are preventing him from getting involved. He doesn't know what's going on. You cannot, okay, these people that commit these atrocities, none of them have spent a night in a cell. And all TikTokers, we are shouting justice for Mohbad. These people are somewhere. what's the name of the other guy other than Arifa? This guy has his own business. Are we actually thinking we putting ourselves in the shoes of all these people? Veron, they've got a life. And now they're sitting somewhere for nothing. They didn't do anything wrong just by speaking up, asking for justice. And we're sitting here, we've got money, we've paid Sam, we've paid all this legal team, and then we are using our money to pay these people, and they're not even fighting for us. Anything being said against us, anything being done against us, nobody is standing up for us. We're asking for us to even get legal team for ourselves, to stand up for ourselves. And somebody's still referring back to the same guy.
Zai, Veron and what's the other guy's name, right? They kind of crossed the line.
Well, it doesn't matter. Does it really matter? No, it's not. You've been talking. You need to give those people a chance. You've been talking. Please, you've been talking. Let other people speak. It doesn't matter if they cross the line. Do you know how many crossing the line?
Zai, take it easy. We understand. You understand?
How many things people have said wrong?
Let's bring somebody, please. Zai, lady, please. Let's bring in comrade. Go on, comrade. Maybe we are coming to you, please. Go on, comrade.
Good evening, everybody that is on the platform, that is on comment section. We greet you. I think that I've been listening to Demi. One thing I will pick from what you have said is we should exercise patience. For me,
what's your right to start?
Ó ga jàre. Jẹ́ kí n máa ṣe show mi lọ, ẹ má dá wọn lóhùn. Ṣé rí pé gbogbo interview tí wọ́n lọ yẹn, kò síbi tí wọ́n ti sọ pé justice for Mohbad result yẹn kìnnìkan DNA nìkan ló máa ń sọ ńbẹ̀. DNA yìí ni Wunmi DNA. This lady talking even need to go and join those in prison. DNA Wunmi nìkan ni gbogbo interview yẹn dé alẹ́ lórí. DNA is a must. DNA yẹn gangan sì ló máa jẹ́ kí ìdíyín jọlẹ̀. Ó máa jọ díyín mọ́lẹ̀. Because láàárọ̀ yìí sì ẹ̀ ń pariwo pé wọ́n ti gbé pé Wunmi wọ́n fẹ́ gbé Liam lọ sí lóyìnbó. Wọ́n náà fẹ́ gbé Liam lọ sí lóyìnbó. Láàárọ̀ yìí ni wọ́n ń sọ yẹn o. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ṣé tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ gbé Liam lọ sí lóyìnbó, ṣé Liam ṣẹ̀ ni? Ṣé Wunmi ṣẹ̀ ni? Tí Wunmi bá fẹ́ kúrò Nàìjíríà, anytime ó máa kúrò torí kò ṣèjọba, ẹ̀yin ló ń ṣẹ̀. Tí Liam bá fẹ́ kúrò ní Nàìjíríà, tí Wunmi gan bá fẹ́ kúrò ní Nàìjíríà lọ́la, á kúrò ńbẹ̀ kó ṣèjọba. Ẹ̀yin ni Wunmi ṣẹ̀, kò dẹ̀ ṣèjọba, kò dẹ̀ kan ẹ̀yin ò ṣẹ̀yin ní Nàìjíríà ni. Ṣẹ̀yin ní Nàìjíríà. Ṣẹ̀yin ní Nigeria government. Tí Wunmi bá fẹ́ kúrò Nàìjíríà lẹ́ni, ọ̀dọ̀ títí Wunmi ò kí ń ṣe suspect anywhere. Kò dẹ̀ ṣèjọba, kò ṣe ọlọ́pàá, ẹ̀yin ló ń ṣẹ̀. Ibi tó rí yóò ti pé nìyẹn, DNA is a motive, DNA is a must. Ibi tó rí yóò ti pé nìyẹn, tẹ́ ẹ pariwo, Wunmi fẹ́ kúrò ń lu o, bẹ́ẹ̀ Wunmi kẹ́ kọ lẹ́tà 1 million sí embassy àgbèjúlẹ̀. Embassy will not do any investigation. In as much, tí àwọn police ò bá ti ní ó ṣẹ̀. Anybody, the passport bá wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀, they are ready, they can travel to anywhere they like. If they don't want her to travel, the passport will be taken from her. Check oye, gbogbo àwọn Naira Marley yẹn kò sí pálí wọn lọ́wọ́ wọn. So gbogbo ranu tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń sọ yẹn, ẹ túbọ̀ máa sọ. Lọ́dọ̀ tí sí ni Wunmi ti jẹ́ criminal. Kò ṣe criminal Nigeria. Nigeria government ò pé Wunmi ní criminal. Ẹ̀yin lẹ ya wèrè. Kò sí restriction lórúkọ ẹ̀yin lẹ ń ṣí èrè. Mi mọ̀ bóyá Nigeria government ti máa wá pé Arifa ni àbí máa wá pé Papiano ni pé ṣó ṣẹ̀. I don't even understand. So if Wunmi want to travel to Canada, àbí tí ó fẹ́ travel lọ sí ibi tẹ́lẹ̀ ń lọ, bóyá ló lọ ná. Tó bá fẹ́ travel lọ sí àwọn America tẹ́ ń sọ yẹn. So America government will come and ask you. Àbí lẹ́tà orí burúkú tẹ́ nǹkan tó ti jù sínú bin. So police máa pass èèyàn nílùú ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin máa máa sọ pé ó ṣẹ̀yìn. Who are you? Ẹ máa rojọ́ kú, ẹ máa ké kú ni. Wunmi ò tí ready, kò tí ráyè títí yín. Ẹ ti gbọ́? Wunmi ò tí ráyè títí yín. Tí Wunmi bá ráyè títí yín, ẹ yóò lè ìgbà 10 mẹ́tàlá yóò lè stop Wunmi. Mẹ́tàlá yín kò lè stop Wunmi. Ọ̀dọ̀ tí yín ni Wunmi ti jẹ́ criminal. Ṣé ti gbọ́? ìkà tí yín kò lè stop Wùnmí. Àwọn ìkà dédé. Wọ́n ní kẹ́ bọ́ síta kẹ́ wá sọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ wá ń parọ́ mọ́ gbogbo ayé Bella ṣe báyìí Bella ṣe tọ̀hún Bella súnmọ́ bí Bella ò súnmọ́ bí Bella gbalé fún wọ́n gbélé fún wọ́n gbélé fún ẹ wá ń pariwo ilẹ̀ yín wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ Ọlọ́run máa jẹ́ kẹ́ gbalẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ ẹ wá mú ọmọ lọ́mọ ẹ wá sọ di ẹni tẹ́ ń compete pẹ̀lú ọmọ ọdún kan àwọn kan wá jókòó tí pé ó lè pọ́ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ kó tún gbógun ó lè pọ́ ọmọ ọlọ́mọ kó tún gbógun nǹkan tẹ́ ń sọ kiri nìyẹn náà. Ó lè pọmọ lọ́mọ kó tún wá gbógun ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ bàbá ẹ̀. Máa yẹn ti ní tọ́ bá máa yẹn sọ pé tọ́ bá bí bàbá Mohbad dá kó pè mí. ọmọ yẹn máa jẹ ìyà o. Jòsí kò wà nínú fámílì wọn ó fẹ́ fìyà jẹ gbogbo ẹbí wọn ojú ìyá Mohbad ò bá máa rí tó o ìyá Mohbad ò bá máa jẹ ṣégè nínú ìyà o. Ẹjọ wèrè fámílì wọn tó wá ń rojọ́ tó ń sọ pé wọn tó ń rìkọ́dì ìyá Mohbad yẹn. Bọ́dá Dayọ̀ àbí kí ló ń pè? All these mad people need, in fact, tẹ́ bá tẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ ilé tó sọ pé bẹ̀dá àwọn ilé tó ń sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn kí lorúkọ yẹn jẹ́ kí n gbọ́ ọkọ̀ tó ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá rí nǹkan táwọn yẹn ń sọ. Àwọn yẹn ti kúrò ńbẹ̀ wọ́n ti kúrò ńbẹ̀. Ṣé wọ́n ti lọ sanwó fún Kẹ́mi Olúnlọ́yọ̀ ni? There are 2 acres of land with Wunmi and he will collect it whether they like it or not. Ẹ máa fi wèrè lẹ̀ níbo ló ti ní 2 acres of land? Níbo ló ti ní 2 acres of land? That man Dayo need pay as you go. Níbo ló ti ní 2 acres of land? Ṣé rí problem tó wà nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ni pé nǹkan tí Mohbad ò ní bọ̀bọ́ Yorùbá ní ni. Get nǹkan tí Mohbad ò ní Jòsí rò bóyá Mohbad ní ni. Ṣé ẹ̀rí tó sọ pé ilé kan wà wájú bí kan ilé kan Ọlọ́run ló ní ó ní ọmọ òun sọ fún òun pé òun ti ra lé ó kù díẹ̀ kó òun sọ balance. Ṣé rí pé àṣẹ níbi tó gùn tá à ń lọ. We still have a long way to go. Ilé tí Mohbad ń gbé tó jẹ́ wípé wọ́n ti fún wọn ní ìwé ń bẹ̀. Ṣé gẹ́tì kan tí mo sọ wọ́n ti fún wọn ìwé ń bẹ̀ o. Wọ́n ti ní kó kúrò ní méyì náà máa kúrò ń bẹ̀. Ẹ ti gẹ́tì. Ó wá bọ́ síta wá sọ pé ọmọ ẹ sọ pé òun san adúrò owó òun ra ilé yẹn ó kù díẹ̀ kó òun parí sanwó tán. Ṣé rí pé ìjà ṣì máa ṣẹlẹ̀? Ṣé rí pé ìjà ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni because next thing tó máa tún jáde ń sìn ni pé Wùnmí ti ta lé. Okay, Ayokade sọ pé there are 2 acres of land with Wunmi and he will collect it whether they like it or not. Okay. Ẹ wá gbalẹ̀, ẹ wá gbà. Lájọ́ tẹ́ tí rojọ́ fún 8 months, ẹ tí tó gba 2 acres.